Oh, we move.
John McHenry.
Go.
Come on. Get out. Hey, whoa. Hey. Hold on. You gonna tell me what this is all about? This is my colleague, Billy Foster.
We're here about Eric Matheson.
Did you find him?
He's saying you killed Connie.
Oh my god.
He's so drunk.
Our question is on
There's no way he's gonna make that there. Oh my god, it's so funny.
Filling her mind.
Look at that.
Mind if we put you on tape?
No.
Bear. Come here. Come here.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh.
Bear. Come here.
That's so funny, he come running in there. Oh my god.
Come here. Come here.
Married? Not anymore.
Come here.
So which one you banged?
Come here. He's
He's
off.
He fell off.
Later, actually. Yeah.
Dragging his
One
feet
thing I know
out.
about guys like you, my woman loves me. We had
You like run.
guys like you.
You're into the couch.
You trying to show yourself up.
Look, I'm gonna take him all the way in here.
Don't put him in the dining room.
Coffee room. You know, Joe.
Call. So funny when you lost off.
Don't look at me like that. Like you're better than
Come
me.
here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I'm not hiding anything.
Oh my god. Look at it. Hilarious.
So funny.
They got half an hour to get that kid.
Oh, there! I got this. I'm not drunk anymore. Oh my god. I got this. I'm not drunk. I swear. I'm not drunk.
How did you get up there? How did you get up there so easy?
I'm not drunk anymore. I swear. Don't pull me over.
Okay. He gave up.
Fall asleep.
He's gonna pass out. He's gonna pass out.
Leave here.
Oh. Okay, you gotta go up here.
Sleep here. Oh, I thought it was.
You're so happy. He fell way over here.
I think I'm just as drunk as he
Where'd he go? He's stopping you. He's gonna make you under the couch. Oh, put him up on the couch. Put him up on the couch.
Come here.
Oh, wait.
Where's he at? Drunk dog.
He's telling
Drunk
you.
dog.
Oh no, he's going to sleep. He's passing out. Go on for the night. He's going to sleep. There ain't no lie about it. This is going to sleep.
I'm really drunk right now, Michael.
Red.
Hey, boy! Hey, boy!
Red.
Get up.
Don't pick him up. He's not gonna get up. He's going to sleep. Down the soft spot. Turn the video off.
All one package. You buy